Have you ever felt like your dua is going unanswered? You pour your heart out, you beg Allah to change your situation, but nothing seems to happen. And then the doubt creeps in. Is Allah even listening to me? Am I worthy of being heard? But what if I told you? The angels recognize voices in the heavens. Salman al-Farsi, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "When a person regularly makes dua in good times, then when hardship hits, the angels say, 'That's a familiar voice, let's intercede for them.' But when someone only calls on Allah when they're struggling, the angels say, 'This voice is unfamiliar.' So ask yourself, does your voice travel through the heavens? Or do you only turn to Allah when things fall apart? Because the best thing dua gives you isn't just the response, it's the relationship you build with Allah. Look at Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. When he faced his hardest test, he didn't hesitate. He already knew his Lord. Indeed, my Lord always hears my dua. Zachariah, peace be upon him, spent years longing for a child. He had nothing, no wealth, no descendants. Yet he said, "Oh, my Lord, you've never let me down." But what about you? You started making dua. You changed your ways, but temptation still comes. Your old sins resurface. Hardship keeps piling up. Didn't Allah say, if you take one step towards him, he will come running to you? Then why does it feel like your struggles are coming even faster? Because dua is worship. It's not just a wish list, it's a form of surrender. The Prophet, peace be upon him, cried in sujood the same way, whether in pain or in gratitude, because both hardship and ease led him to the same place, in the arms of his Lord. Maybe that's what you're missing. Your dua was answered the moment you made it. But the response? Maybe it's delayed. Maybe it's protecting you from something worse. Maybe it's stored for something far greater than what you asked for. Call upon Allah while being certain in the answer. Because the greatest reward isn't just the outcome, it's learning to trust him along the way.